Okay, this is a chicken called Fluffy.
And
We are
asking her some
interviewing her
questions.
today.
Yeah. Fluffy.
Do you have a beak? Yeah, there it is right there. That's her beak. She's very soft.
Yes.
What's your favourite type of chicken?
What?
Chicken nugget.
No!
Medium rare.
No!
I don't think you can even cook a chicken medium
Mine's
rare.
a silky. I like silkies. They're so cute.
Okay, what is our last question? What are we going to ask her?
What?
What's our last question for... We have one last question for you today.
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Do you...
Are you a bird?
No. Fluffy, are you bad?
Are you a bird?
She's saying no.
What are you if you're not a bird, Fluffy? What are you?
Are you a zebra?
What are you? What are you?
Are you a zebra?
What are
She's
you?
saying she's...
Apparently, we have breaking news. This bird is a zebra.